Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our delicious recipe. So today we are making Afang soup. Let's begin with the heart of every great soup, the protein. I'm using a mix of beef, cow skin and stockfish. Add your seasoning, grounded pepper and salt to the stir and let everything boil. After it has boiled, you add in your dry fish and allow it to cook for some minutes to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Once the protein is ready, make sure you bring in some color and richness with palm oil into your soup. Allow it to boil for some minutes, stir well, and let it combine with the broth and protein. And at this point, I also want to tell you that palm oil is also one of the major ingredients in this soup. So if you're getting a palm oil, make sure you get a good one. Cover it and let it boil. As you can see, we already have that color signature and our soup is looking already delicious. All right, at this point, you add in your water leaf. These are soft and juicy leaves, so you have to be very careful. That's why if you notice I didn't add any water, and I make sure that the water I use in preparing my protein will be enough for me to use all through the soup. So now preparing the soup. So right now you make sure that this water leaf that you're going to add in must be well chopped, well finely chopped, I mean, so that it won't be having that leafy look and then not giving you what you really want at the end. What is a fang soup without periwinkle? I mean, this little snail add an authentic flavor to your soup. If you're not a fan of it, you can skip them, but if you want to have a traditional fang soup experience, don't leave them out. At this point, add some half teaspoon of salt, seasoning to give it a taste. Add in generous amounts of crayfish to have that salt afang soup taste. Give it a good stir, and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, you can now add your afang leaf to your soup. And remember that this leaf is tougher than most, so you have to slice it, pound or blend, whichever one suits you, you do, and then make sure everything is well blended or pound so that you have that fine look at the end. So you can also decide to add more oil if the oil is not much, and then give it a good stir. And just like that, your afang soup is ready, and you can serve it with any of your favorite swallow. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share, and let me know in the comment what is your favorite part of afang soup.